Google Search Console tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Google Search Console and how you can use it. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here I'm on their main website and the domain is pretty long, so why don't, if you want to come over here, just simply search for Google Search Console. It should appear, and just click the first link and you will arrive over here onto this homepage. So once you click over here, you just simply have to click on get started or start now to, and then you are good to go. So over here, as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. So you're going to have your property over here. As you can see, I already have my property. You will have your performances, you will have your URL inspections, you will have your coverage, you will have your sitemaps, removals, page experience, core website, virals, links, and all of that. So as you can see, currently I don't have any data because this is just a test website. And if you are wondering how you can add a property, simply click over here and click on add property. And over here you can add in the domains that all URL across all subdomains. So you can add in your website over here and click on continue, or you can use the URL prefix and only URLs under entered addresses or stuff like that. So it's pretty simple. So just add in your domain over here and you are good to go. So I'll just add and then simply click on continue. It's going to verify the property, and then once it's done that, we'll just have to copy this code. All right, this is basically the domain verification, and we'll have to copy this and we have to sign into our domain name. All right, or Namecheap or wherever we have it. We have to copy the txt record below into the DNS configuration for this domain, and then we have to verify. And then pretty simple, right? So this is a long way, but let me just show. Now it's simply gonna check verify, but as you can see, I did not paste the TNT. So let's go ahead and do that actually. All right, since I am using the Wix website over here, this is the website. So let's go ahead and do that. So what you're gonna need to do is click on your profile, go into domains. All right, you're gonna go into your domain page over here, and over here you will see all of the domains that you will have. And let's wait for a second for it to load up. And then what you want to do is, as you can see, this is the domain right here. We'll just simply click on the more buttons over here, and then we have manage DNS records or transfer away from Wix or stuff like that. We'll just simply click on manage DNS number, and over here we have the CNAME, that we have the txt text. So we'll just click on over here, we'll add the record, right? We'll add the record over here, and the host name is going to be, yeah, we'll keep that at 1. Let's just simply click on save. Now it should be good to go. So now if we just simply click on verify, there you go. As you can see, ownership verified. Now we just simply have to go to property and we are good to go. So as you can see, now it works. Pretty simple, right? So that's how you add a property. Next, what you want to do is, if you want to get the most out of your website, what you're going to do is you're going to have to add in your site's map, your site map. So if you see over here you have sitemaps, just simply click on sitemaps, and over here just enter in the sitemap. If you don't know where you can find it, so let me just go ahead and sign into my website over here and I'll show you. So over here, once you come over to your site, this is my other website. What you want to do is just simply click over here into this SEO called Yoast Seo. This is basically an SEO plugin that is going to allow us to get all of our websites. So if you want to add this plugin, just go into the plugin store over here, click on add new, simply search for SEO, and it should pop up over here, as you can see. Then once you have installed it, what you want to do is just simply click on the plugin over here on the left side, and then underneath features, you simply click on features. You will see you have XML sitemaps over here. So it's on, and we need to click on this question mark button and just simply click on this link over here, see the XML sitemaps. Then over here, this is the sitemap, right? So now what we need to do is we just simply copy this link over here and we are good to go. So if you want to view your sitemaps, you will see you'll have all of your post sitemaps. You have your coffee, within the post ones, you will see all of the posts that you've created. Then you will have category pages and all of that. So this is the sitemap. Basically, that's what it is. So we'll just, as I said before, we'll copy this little part of this domain, this little URL. go back over here and we'll just simply paste the sitemaps and we'll just simply click on submit. And as you can see, sitemap submitted successfully, and boom, we got it. All right. So pretty much that's it. And then it will give you all of the data on your website. All right. The processing day, I basically just added this in a couple of minutes ago. So that's why it's still processing. So it's going to take at least 24 hours, maybe even 2 to 3 days to get all of the information from my website. But as you can see, this is how it's going to look like, right? It's pretty simple. That's how you basically add different websites, how you configure sitemaps. You also have page experience and core website vitals. So if you click on page experiences, you will see all of the experiences your customers have, or the people that have come over to your website have. But we don't have enough data, we don't have enough traffic for this website. As I said before, this is a pretty new website, so we don't have that, but you are good to go. Then you have URL inspection over here. You can inspect any URL in your website so that you can see how they look like. Another thing, they also give you search console insights, which basically will give you insights on your website, like all the data. But as I said before, this is a brand new website, we don't have any data, so there's not much going on over here. But you understand what it basically does, right? This is basically going to help you to rank your website higher, basically for SEO purposes as well, so that people who are into SEO, and if you want to rank your website higher, you can go ahead and do that. So to do that, as I said before, you're going to have to add in your website, you have to add in your sitemaps, and then in removals, actually, basically I'm gonna show you the things that you need to remove, or submit requests, and you need to urgently remove content from Google searches. You just simply enter in the request over here so that you can remove all of the content that you want to be removed from Google. So it's pretty simple. And then in links, you will have all the links over here. See which site links to yours and see what text they use, so that you can better optimize your own website. So basically, if you are competing with a website and they're doing a similar thing to you and they're basically your rivals, you can add in their links over here, and you can inspect them over here by adding that. And then you will see all of the links that they use, and then you can use them as well, just to take advantage of whatever they're doing as well. So it's not difficult to use, it's pretty standard, but it can be a little overwhelming. So I understand why people would think that it's a little bit difficult, but these were some of the, minor things that you should know about Google Search Console and why it is used. It's used for SEO purposes, it's used for ranking purposes, so that, the website you've entered here could be shown onto Google by adding in your sitemaps, adding in your links, your keywords, your backend links, your internal links, all the other links as well, just so that, you can take your website's experience to the next level. So pretty simple, right? Nothing too crazy, but there isn't much to do over here since I just simply created this website recently, so that's why there is no data on it. So yeah, I'm sorry about that, but you get the point, right? Over here you're gonna have your performances, coverages, experiences, enhancements. You're gonna have all the options over here. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.